Living in Houston, homeowners are no strangers to extreme weather conditions, from blistering summer heat to occasional cold snaps in the winter. With energy costs continually on the rise, finding ways to improve home energy efficiency has become a top priority. One of the most effective and impactful upgrades for Houston homeowners is installing energy-efficient windows. These windows provide a variety of benefits, including lower utility bills, enhanced indoor comfort, reduced environmental impact, and increased home value. Lower energy costs. One of the most significant advantages of energy-efficient windows is their ability to lower energy costs. Standard windows allow heat to enter during the summer and escape during the winter, causing HVAC systems to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows, however, are designed with advanced materials such as low emissivity glass, argon or krypton gas fills, and multiple panes to minimize heat transfer. These features help to maintain a stable indoor temperature, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling and leading to noticeable savings on utility bills. Enhanced comfort year-round. Houston's climate can be unpredictable, with high humidity levels and scorching temperatures in the summer. Energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures by blocking excessive heat from entering in the summer and preventing heat loss in the winter. This means fewer drafts and hot spots, creating a more consistent and comfortable living environment. Additionally, these windows can reduce indoor condensation, which can lead to mold and mildew growth if left unchecked. Protection from harmful UV rays. Energy-efficient windows are equipped with specialized coatings that block a significant portion of ultraviolet (UV) rays. These rays can cause fading and damage to furniture, flooring, artwork, and other interior elements over time. By reducing UV exposure, energy-efficient windows help preserve the integrity of home interiors, extending the lifespan of valuable furnishings and maintaining the aesthetic appeal of the home. Noise reduction. Houston is a bustling city with busy streets, highways, and commercial areas that can contribute to unwanted noise pollution. Energy-efficient windows, especially those with double or triple panes and insulated gas fills, provide excellent noise insulation. This feature is particularly beneficial for homeowners living near airports, busy roads, or urban centers, allowing for a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Environmental benefits. By reducing energy consumption, energy-efficient windows contribute to a lower carbon footprint. HVAC systems that don't have to work as hard use less electricity, which in turn decreases greenhouse gas emissions from power plants. For environmentally conscious homeowners, installing energy-efficient windows is a simple yet effective way to reduce their environmental impact while enjoying the added benefits of lower energy costs and increased home comfort. Increased home value and curb appeal. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is a smart investment that enhances both the value and curb appeal of a home. Many homebuyers prioritize energy efficiency when searching for properties, and homes with high-performance windows are often more attractive to potential buyers. Additionally, modern energy-efficient windows come in a variety of styles and designs, allowing homeowners to improve the aesthetic appeal of their homes while boosting overall resale value. Potential tax incentives and rebates. Homeowners in Houston may be eligible for tax credits or rebates when they install energy-efficient windows. Federal, state, and local programs often provide incentives for energy-saving home improvements, helping offset the initial cost of window replacement. Checking with local utility companies or government agencies can provide valuable information on available incentives, making the upgrade even more affordable. Conclusion. For Houston homeowners looking to enhance comfort, reduce energy costs, and increase home value, energy-efficient windows are an excellent investment. With benefits ranging from lower utility bills to improved indoor air quality and noise reduction, these windows offer a cost-effective solution for long-term savings and sustainability. Whether building a new home or upgrading an existing one, energy-efficient windows are a smart choice that pays off in multiple ways.